Namaste children, I am your fine art teacher. Today we are doing shapes with the creativity. For that I require paper, pencil, eraser, glue, scissor, few marble papers, right? Now suppose you don't have a big paper, so you can cut your paper and make it into half a size and use A4 size paper. If you don't have A4 size paper, you can use the calendar's behind portion, no problem. Any one paper required, right? The size doesn't make difference. You just have to understand my artwork. Thank you. Let's begin. Line is a dot that went for a walk. Yes. Dot. Dotted. Dashed. You can say straight or you can say horizontal. It's a horizontal line, then is a vertical. Yes, standing line. Diagonal. Move up and down. It's a wavy line. Same way with the straight line up and down, it's called zig-zag line. Move up and down, spiral. Is a spiral. From this you have come to for the shapes. For this we will come for the shapes. Circle, triangle, four side equal, square, rectangle, semicircles, hexagon and pentagon. Here from the line you have come for the shapes. From the shapes you can do the creativity like the natural forms and natural elements also. For the marble paper I required pink and purple. If you don't have pink and purple, you can use the blue color also. This is a square. Now fold properly in the triangle position from border to border. And give pressure perfectly. You can see this way. Now this corner you will take up, so automatically you will get the perfectly middle. Before you fold, you just have to do a little bit cross and just fold your paper this way. Very simple. Now take another paper, make rectangle. Now join again 2 points, become a square. Please cut your paper so you will get the 4 different square. Now from these two squares, again I will do the same, joining the triangle. From triangle to this part, again this corner, if you feel some extra part, you try to cut it, white corners. Same way, first step is triangle, joint cross, same thing again repeat this side also. So from the shapes we have done the flower forms. Now I will arrange my flowers first. I will tick mark where I want to exactly stick my flower. So please tick mark, draw with the pencil perfectly where you want to keep your flowers. So this is my first flower base. Here I want to keep little bit slant. And here also. Straight line, curved line, and I will draw a little bit ground with the sky effect, and here is the water. My flowers are in the water. You can outline with marker sketch pen, so you will understand the ground line.
Here we finish our paper folding and outline drawings. Now for the next turns, please be ready with the same paper and same material. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a great day.